everybody, this is Alina and today I prepared Father's Day card tutorial for you. We prepare our card base using this scheme. Next step will be make our big stamp. I have these balloon stamps and I stamp them with embossing inks and emboss them with black embossing powder. And I choose a quote from the same stamp collection. I use EK Success stamping tool to help me make embossing clearer and easier. I also prepare one extra image of the banner on top of my balloon. Then I cut my focal picture first using paper trimmer and color it. Then I fussy cut the banner and I cut out with scissors my smallest balloons. I color everything with alcohol markers. You can use anything you have. I didn't have a good sentiment Father's Day stamp, so I make my own sentiment with this stamp kit from Martha Stewart. I prepare with small pieces of contrasted paper to embellish sides of my card. Here I apply them on my card base. This is the same paper, only it's double-sided, so I use as major background one side of the paper and as embellishments other side. I cut out my quote and I distress this piece with distressing inks using distress ink tool. And then I cut out corners of this piece so it will look more like a tag. Then I use white roll pen to create stitching effect on my quote piece. And I glue it down on bottom part of my card. Then I bend all parts that should be bended. Because my focal piece will be a little bit outside of the card, I colored with distressing backgrounds of my big balloon and my smallest balloons. So my card will look good from both sides. Now card is finished and we would need a great envelope for this. So I measure my card and figure out the size of paper what I would need with my chart, and then I use Fisker's envelope making tool to create the envelope. I use the same paper, only another side of it. Also, I use these stamps to create address label, and as a background I use coordinating color scrap of paper. And I just cut it out. And glue it down on my envelope. So this is all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I will see you soon with my new tutorial. Bye!